Welcome to LEDlight.com. This is product number 63342, a universal LED light for truck, Jeep, automobile, RV. Rated IP65. 12 volts DC. Use these modules to light up your truck bed, inside your car, while you're hunting, fishing, tailgating, etc. Easy to install, long life, low power, low heat. Black ABS plastic with mounting notches. 4 modules to align with 13 inches of wire between them. 2 lines of 4 come with this product, 8 modules total. Included are an on-off switch, switch mount, screws, and mounting squares with sticky backing. Measures 185 inches or 15.5 feet total length. Modules are IP65, CE, and RoHS rated. Switches CE rated. Used under bed rails, utility boxes, trunks, rock lights for Jeeps and off-road vehicles. 400 lumens, 3 watts, per string output. Approximately 25 watt incandescent equivalent per string. Each module puts out 0.75 watts, 100 lumens. Be sure to like and share this video, and subscribe today for more LEDlight.com news. Thanks for watching.